Coach, for Nvidia, what do you think right now?
Let me look. Listen, it's still below the 9. It's still lower than previous day. Obviously the nine's going to tell you everything, right?
Yes, I got in way up there, so I'm golden.
Yeah, no, that's beautiful. So if I was you, I would flip to like this 2 minute. Yeah, I'm not panicking on that on Nvidia yet. Let me see where you're at. You're at 133.50 to 134.25 on the 2 minute. Yeah, just remember if you're in there in a really good place, flip that to like a 2 minute, right?
Yeah, I've pretty much made all my money for today. This is just,
Gravy.
yep, or flipping long.
Yeah, it's a long ways away from flipping to long, but we definitely want to keep an eye on the market here. Yeah, if that breaks above 134, I would not be in shorts anymore on Nvidia. Yeah.
There was a really nice wick on the 5 minute going up. That's the only reason it gave me pause.
And then the whole market did that. It all did it at the exact same time. I can see the entire market did that. But honestly, you guys, look at how much damage was done. So there had to have been some kind of breathe back, right? I mean, look at SPY. Yeah, those Nvidias, I'd be out of that. You see that? Because I could always add in later, I could redo it again to the downside, but I don't want to be in those puts here. See it?
Yep, that Supertrend was my last little
Yep.
indicator.
Yeah,
Thank
oh,
you.
good, good, good. Yep. Just because if this gets volume now inside of this, it's going to spike, right? So I would just reset, wait for something good, meaning below this 9 for a nice pullback, or see where it starts to respect it. But I don't want to be in shorts here. Hell no.
Yep, I need to see a reversal on that Supertrend candle for me to feel good about it. Otherwise, I'm in no man's land.
I agree. Good call. Nice job. Good trade.
Picked up calls on that support area. And the 9, I got to stop right below it.
Oh yeah, nice job. Yeah, off that 132 basically, right? Yeah, as soon as it gets you, as soon as it gave you that big old long engulfing candle off the 1 minute, that's when it's the like, uh-oh, right?
That stopped out my puts, and then
Flip it.
I flipped it. Yeah.
Yep. Flip that script. Don't rush these trades. Take your time, man. Be patient. Look for good setups. I told you A plus setup, small position size. That's everything.